Hey everyone, this is Matt King, King Piers II, out here with an update on our project in Gardner, Kansas. We are just about to the footing on this project. We have a bit left to do on this side at the corner. But again, on this project, we are straightening this foundation wall back to vertical. So the first step of that is relieving that exterior pressure off the side of the wall. That means digging down to the footing. Once that's done, we are also going to be installing 3 King Pier IIs under the footing. So not only are we straightening the wall to vertical, we're raising the footing that the wall is setting on back to its correct level elevation. So there will be 3 additional holes under the footing inside the trench here. And those are going to be 13 inches below that footing. So once we get everything finished, should be probably tomorrow, we'll have everything down to the footer, and then probably Friday we'll be able to start digging the holes for the 3 piers. Once that's done, next week we will come in with our 6x6 treated wood support posts, our 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, 90-degree angle iron. We'll get all the interior set up complete and then start pushing the wall back to vertical. Once that's done, we'll leave that interior setup in place. We have 4 H-beam wall braces we're going to be installing on the inside to keep the wall vertical. And then we'll get the interior set up with 6x6s, bottle jacks taken down. Once the braces are in, we will install the 3 King Piers under the footing, raise that to its correct level elevation. And obviously before we finish up with the bracing, finish getting those installed, we'll make sure any kind of cracks in the foundation are sealed. We definitely don't want to leave any kind of cracking behind the braces unsealed, so we make sure to get that taken care of first before the braces are done. But yeah, this is definitely the most labor-intensive part of this project, doing the excavations. So once this is done, it's pretty much smooth sailing from there. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe while you're there. We really appreciate that. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and you can reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.